How are you? I hope that you will be fine. I am Aditya Vikram Rai from LPM Public School, and this school situated in Gola Bazar. Today's our topic is chapter 30 name game, and that is subtopic of language and literature. Because on last day we have learned different topics that were nice nature. In this topic we have learned food of animals. Can you identify me? Aquatic animals, uncommon animals, amazing animal facts, plant quiz and nourishing food. And after that our topic was worldwide. In this topic we have learned national flag of different countries, national costumes around the world, food across the world, currency around the world, types of trains, kinds of houses, world superlatives, meet the people, and unit third was Incredible India. In this topic we have learned know our country, our national flag, summer vacations, monuments of India, famous Indian men, great fighters, famous Indian women, New Delhi, the capital of India. And unit 4 is language and literature, and we are learning this chapter. We are on 30 chapter. So that was, and topics were books around us from the fairy tales, world languages, workers and workplaces, homonyms describing words, name game and word triangles. And today's our topic is name game. So you have to write a different famous companies name here. Given below are logos of a few famous companies. Name them using help kit. So you have to write famous companies name, and there are logos are given here. On first, that is an logo of Apple company. Okay, and Apple company that provide us different types of phones and other electronic gadgets. And on second there is Microsoft. Second is the logo of Microsoft, and third is the logo of Ferrari. Fourth is the logo of Black. First is the logo of Apple company, APPLE Apple. Second is of Microsoft company, MICROSOFT Microsoft. Third one is the logo of Ferrari, and the spelling of Ferrari is FERRARI. And the next one is on food, that is BlackBerry, and that is BlackBerry, and that's logo is of BlackBerry companies, and the spelling of BlackBerry is BLACKBERRY, BlackBerry. And the next one on fifth, that is Honda. The spelling of Honda is HONDA, and this logo is related to Honda company. And the next one is the logo of Nike, NIKE, logo of Nike. And the next is on 7, that is logo of Adidas. You can see here that is the logo of Adidas company. And on 8, that is spelling of Adidas is ADIDAS, Adidas. On 8, that is Hero, that is logo of Hero company, HERO, Hero. On 9, that is logo of Jaguar, JAGUAR, Jaguar. On first Apple, second Microsoft, third Ferrari, fourth BlackBerry, fifth Honda, sixth Nike, seventh Adidas, eighth Hero, ninth Jaguar. On first, that is Apple. On second, that is Microsoft. On third, that is Ferrari. Fourth BlackBerry, fifth Honda, sixth Nike, seventh Adidas, eighth Hero, and nine Jaguar. And the next topic is word triangles. Word triangles, let's see it. What is this? It's for making word triangles. The next topic is word triangles. It's fun making word triangles. Let us have fun together. Start by leaving out one letter from the bottom row to make a new word in the upper. Okay, so you can see here that in first triangle what you have to do, you have to start by leaving out one letter from the bottom row to make a new word in the upper row. One has been done for you. In first, the lower series is THIN, thin, and another is TIN, tin, and another is IN, in, and on next that is I. So thin, tin, in, and I, that are words. And in second, K and OW, no. In upper row, NOW, no. And in upper row, no. In second, there will be K and OW, no. And before it, NOW, no. And before it, no. Question number third, FARM, farm, and upper side ARM, arm, and in next there will be AMM, and in next that is fourth, and the last column is DATE, date, and the next will be ATE, 8, and the next will be AT, at. Fifth one is TRAIN, train, and the next will be rain, 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 and the next will be RAN, ran, and the next will be ANN. Sixth, the last one is WHERE, where, and the next will be HERE, here, and next will be HER, her, and next will be WEB. So let's see once again. In the last row, that is thin, 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 and the next one is TIN, tin, and next one is IN, in, and the next one is I. In second, the last row is KNOW, no, and the next row is NOW, no, and next row no. Third, FARM, farm, and the next is ARM, arm, and the next is AMM. Fourth, the last row is DATE, date, and the next is ATE, 8, and the next is AT, at. Fifth, the last one is TRAIN, tran, the next will be RAIN, ran, and the next will be RAN, ran, and the next will be ANN. And in sixth, the last row is where, 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 and the next will be HERE, here, and next will be HER, her, and the next will be WEV. So